Well, finally got a sediment bowl that doesn't dribble fuel out all the time. This one not even really tight. I don't have to crank on it to get it to shut off. Happy about that. That makes three of them. The original one that was in here dribbled fuel, the replacement one for that dribbled fuel, and this one, I guess third time's a charm. This one actually doesn't sit there and dribble out of the fitting here like the other two did. They took it right back and gave me another one. So that's decent of them. It should be as much money as I spend in that place. So that's good there. On the valve adjustment that I just did in the previous video, I forgot to mention. Uh, the spec is 13 thousandths hot. I did it 15 thousandths cold. You can run a little bit more on the exhaust. A little bit more lash gives the valves more time to cool. So you could actually run 16 or 17 thousandths on them. They might tick a little bit, but who cares about ticking? As long as they're staying cooler. I really don't want to have to pull the head off of this thing and do valves in it anytime soon. But we'll see. I'm just glad it's not dribbling fuel out. So that's just a short one. Getting ready to fill the transmission and diff back up. As you can see, it was a little milky. When I first drained it, it wasn't milky at all. It had very little water in it. I put the diesel in there, ran it a little bit, and that's what came out. I guess it had water in there somewhere. The diesel absorbed most of it. Still got to blow it out with some air inside to get the rest of the crap out of it. And fill it back up. We should be good to go here before next thing. The brakes are a little weak on this thing. They work, but they're really weak. Like not wanting to hold at all. They'll slow it down, which what do you expect for a mechanical brake? Slow it down a little bit. You ain't stopping on a damn dime. And then got to do the water pump. Got a little movement up in the water pump bearings up there. You can hear it when it's running, a little squeak, little bearing noise out of it when it's running. And it's got a little play in the fan there and the bearings. You can feel it. All right, that's it for this one. Until next time. Until something else needs attention on here. Getting hot out here again. Again, it's been hot. I just took a nap and came out here to finish this up to make sure the thing ain't going to dribble fuel out. All right, thank you. If you like my content, subscribe, share, like, hit the notification bell, all that jazz. And have a great day. Thanks again. Bye-bye.